Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about oxidative stress, right? Like we stress due to a lot of factors, whether it is financial, whether it is relationship, whether it is work-related stress. A lot of work we do also put pressure on cells, and cells experience a lot of pressure through oxidative stress, right? And as a result, a lot of ROS or free radicals are released. It's not only about oxidative stress, but also uh, if we are experiencing a lot of chronic inflammation, systemic inflammation, right? It leads to production of a lot of free radicals, which further triggers chronic inflammation, which further triggers, you know, uh, production of free radicals, which can over a period of time impact our mitochondria, impact our cells, impact our tissues, right? It can lead to mitochondrial dysfunction. It can impact, beta cells, where it can lead to type 2 diabetes, managing and regulating oxidative stress is really, really important, right? And it's not that, difficult because, we really need our body actually neutralizes these free radicals through various antioxidants, right? So producing and using various antioxidants, right? So there are multiple of them, and just to let everyone know that 90% antioxidants are metabolized by our gut microbiome, right? So our body does not have the capacity or ability to actually metabolize a lot of these antioxidants, right? So one of these, I'm sure a lot of people would have heard of glutathione, right? And we generally know glutathione is really, really a master antioxidant, right? And it also helps in alleviating a lot of skin issues and reducing oxidative stress, right? But should we consider that it is one of the superfood for everyone? I don't, that's a question, and I bet and I bit to disagree because it all depends upon how your microbiome is metabolizing various foods. So especially glutathione is high in sulfate. If you have a lot of your microbiome is producing a lot of H2S hydrogen sulfide because of consumption of a lot of foods which are high in sulfur and converts into hydrogen sulfide while combining with hydrogen in the body. So essentially, it leads to stress production, which can trigger inflammation, which can lead to a lot of digestive issues also, right? So there are multiple, antioxidant what we have, whether it is quercetin, whether it is polyphenol, whether it is flavonoids, lycopene, alpha-lipoic acid, glutathione, obviously, then catechins. So there are a lot of these antioxidants. So we really need to understand which specific antioxidant or the molecule would work for our biology, would help us relieve our you know oxidative stress. We also need to understand what is going on at our molecular and cellular level, right? It's not only about going for a blanket glutathione or going for a blanket polyphenols or quercetin. So a lot of the foods which give us these antioxidants are grapes, berries, strawberry, green tea, right? Apple, right? So dark chocolate. So a lot of these are high in antioxidants, right? So first thing is we should not believe that one specific antioxidant such as glutathione or quercetin would be beneficial for everyone. We really need to understand which specific antioxidant will work for our biology, whether it is for oxidative stress, whether it is for enhanced energy production pathways, whether it is for suppressing inflammation, whether it is for better mitochondrial function, better mitochondrial biogenesis, right? This is really, really important, right? And unfortunately, the current set of nutrition practices what we have, or what I call is primitive nutrition, is it does not focus on the our unique biochemical footprint, right? So this is where we come in, right? So we analyze your biology and chemistry, using next-generation sequencing, using studying your functions of your gut and the oral microbiome, the vaginal microbiome, right? And then we apply, advanced mathematical models to determine what specific molecules, chemicals in various foods would help, overcome inflammation, improve your energy levels, improve your digestion, improve your nutrition, regulate your blood sugar level, regulate your satiety, keep your biological functions working well, you know, and obviously, regulating your overall biology, right? So, so just do not focus on, and just agree that, a food is healthy for everyone, right? So food may be healthy, but whom? So a food which is healthy for you may be poison for your spouse, for your child, for your friend, right? So really need to understand not what food you eat, but how the food interacts with your trillions of microbes living in your gut, living in your mouth, living in your zone. Right? That's it today. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.